Talagang inakyat pa nila yung mga report sa amin. Yung balotang binutuhan nila, inakyat pa nila sa third floor, sa second floor. Thank you very much sa mga batang Maynila. Thank you very much sa mga nanay at tatay ko. Thank you very much. Kaya gulat kami. Chichi and I, gulat kami na overwhelming. Lumabas na as far as 2:30, I guess, 2:30 a.m. Officially, numbers of 550,000 plus. Nakakatuwa naman na 3% remaining. But for the meantime, I think we were advised by COMELEC mag-recess sila. And it will show at 2 p.m. Because of some card which composed of 3% remaining still nasa eskwelahan. But for the meantime, maraming salamat. I hope maiayos natin ulit. We're very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great. Gusto namin sa pulang namin grupo na panalo. Of course, I think any John Doe, si Mary, who is a candidate gusto manalo. Yun talaga ang pangarap namin, yun ang goal namin, makakonect sa tao, winning the democratic way. But with the result, the official result of the Board of Canvassers, overwhelmed kami. Kaya salamat talaga sa Diyos at sa ating mga batang Maynila. Nakakagulat. Overwhelmed kami na siya. But we really appreciate it. Malaking challenge because there's great mandate given to us, Chichi and I, and most of our group, I think 80% of our people.
Ano ba yung aasahan na ng mga Manila sa great after 2 years?
I think one of the immediate concerns ng mga Manila is the issue of basura. Yung pagkadiglot and the criminality happening in the city. With the result of the election and issues raised during the campaign, I think yun yung immediate na kailangan bigyan ng attention. Then again, like Chichi committed to agro-programs, plus the fact that we will continue to pursue the concept of NBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. But initially, about cleanliness and orderliness and peace will be confronted by us.
Parang dati na.
Sabi ko nga sa mga Colombians, bago na kayo. Talagang, it's our commitment. Pag ako nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, dedicate my time serving the people. And that includes wee hours on Ora de Pino. Kaya mapupuyat kayo ulit. Yes, you're next.
4% na lang ini-imply natin. Nakausap mo na po ba sa mga
Hindi. But I don't know. I don't know kung kayo ang sumulat. But we saw some news Mr. Versosa will see the period. But the other one, and the others.
Willing kayo makipag-usap sa
Because at the end of the day, taga Maynila sila, di ba? Magiging mamamayan ko rin sila. And as I have been doing and committed to do sa Maynila, pantay-pantay. So, they're still members of the community. And we are, Chichi and I, and the entire young students, which with great majority members of the City Council. Thanks again to the people of the Manila. Very willing to serve them. So, yung pagkakabati-bati, I think, una ko na munang panawagan sa ating mga mamamayan. Sa buong eleksyon, yung mga nagkontrapartido, magkatapat ng ilog, magbati-bati na po kayo. Tapos na po ang nanalo. Nagpasya na ang taong bayan ng overwhelming. Binigyan tayo ng so, ang panawagan ko na lang sa mamamayan, magbati-bati na po tayo. Tayo mag-iwaiwala. At the end of the day, tayo rin ang
Yun, may mga alas 10 pala ng gabi, alam natin na landslide po kayo, pero hindi po natuloy yung proklamasyon at yung gabi. Anong tumatakbo sa isip po ninyo?
Eh, siyempre, excited kami magproklama. I think kahit sinong kandidatong tumatakbo sa public office, excited magproklama. And especially, if it is highly improbable, if I may borrow that term from the commission. Medyo wala na. But then again, following rules and following instructions, it seems so far okay naman. And being understanding of the situation, the physical, emotional, and psychological challenge to our BEIs and the teachers and all other individuals who participated in this election, backbone of the democracy and the time the election is going on. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. pa sila. We'll give them understanding. But honestly, straightforward, we're very excited to be proclaimed because nakakaingit yung Las Piñas, saka San Juan City ata. Quezon City? Munti. So, 4 na city na sa Metro Manila. I hope we're next. Siguro yun lang muna masasabi ko. But for the meantime, kung ano magiging pa siya ng City Board of Canvassers recess or rest sila, waiting for 51 more card. We're willing to wait. Nakapaghintay na ang mga batang Maynila ng 3 taon. Nakapaghintay pa kami.
Kay Vice po, may mensahe po kayo sa mga supporters, mga sumuporta po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa amin. Hindi po namin we are more than maraming salamat. Sa aming mga namin, i-deliver po sa
Maraming salamat.
Sure.
Nakapunta rin yung anak ko na si Joaquin.
Oo, awa nandiyo. So, mga taga-Tondo. Oo, nandyan. Nandyan mo si Joaquin. Oo, eh, gusto ko lang manalo siya eh. Pero,
Number 1.
overwhelming din yung tulong naman. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Ayan. Isalam nyo na. I-break in nyo na. Halika na. Halika rito. Oo, parang siyang kausapin kayo. Halika raw.